Behind us, we have my M3 Sparky. When you're looking from far away, she looks pretty good. When you get up close, as we detailed in our condition report a few weeks ago, there's a lot of not so great things about her. And frankly, I've just been neglecting her a lot because of the school year. But today, we're gonna put an end to that. I'm gonna show you what I do every year to keep this car looking as nice as she does. And on top of that, we are gonna go ahead and take care of some things I've been meaning to take care of for a while. Let's do this. You guys might be wondering what I mean by yearly routine. So I get compliments on this car all the time from people just blown away by how nice she is, especially given her age and mileage. But there's some things that I've done to this car to keep her in the shape that she was in 3 years ago, since she gets driven all the time. I always start by pulling everything out of the car. So help me, my trunk and glove box are always overflowing with random garbage. This reset was badly needed. After that, I give it a thorough wash. Since I am working out in the sunlight, I usually have to wash the car in steps so the soap doesn't dry up on the paint. There were a lot of bugs from the Michigan highways and just general dirt and debris all over the car. Once the paint was nice and decontaminated, I gave the wheels a good cleanup. The Hawk HPS 5.0 brake pads aren't too dusty, but it does build up, and a good wash like this is usually enough to make it all go away. This year we tried the Turtle Wax iron remover, and I have to say I am pretty impressed with it. It wasted no time breaking down all the hard iron deposits. After this was complete, I dry the car off with my favorite drying towel, the Dreadnought. Seriously guys, I highly recommend this towel. I haven't found another one that dries as good as this thing does. Then I gave the windshield a polish. I did this mainly for the water spotting, but I did make the surface super slick and clean. And with our surfaces now prepped, we are applying our top coating, the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Coating. Say what you will about cheap ceramic coatings, the results always speak for themselves. While we're waiting for the coating on the paint to cure, I decided I wanted to try ceramic coating on the wheels. I haven't done this to them before, and I regret not doing it sooner. It transformed the finish of the wheels and made them extremely hydrophobic. We will test this later in the video. We've now finished the exterior detail and she looks amazing. I kind of forget how nicely she cleans up when she isn't covered in bugs and road debris. It took a little longer this year for the exterior because of the wheel ceramic coat and the windshield polish, but I think it was really worth it to bring some life back into the exterior of this car. We still have the whole other half to do though, the engine bay, interior, and the aforementioned rust. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of clean up everything and we'll pick this up tomorrow. Starting us off in the interior, I deep clean the leather. Firstly the steering wheel, then moving on to the seats, door cards, the shift boot, etc. I also pulled the rear seat bottom out. I did a leather clean of the front seats and rear seat bottom at the start of the year when I pulled the car out, but I wanted to get under the rear seat back piece. When doing the door cards, I'm a bit careful around them since they're fragile, as to not damage the leather inserts. After the leather is done, I did a second round on the interior, but this time for the plastic. The dashboard and door cards all had a layer of dust on them from sitting over the winter. At the end, I applied plastic wax to provide some UV protection, and it really brings out the color, which we'll see in the after shots. With the top half of the interior taken care of, we moved on to the carpet. Nothing too crazy, just a quick vacuum and carpet shampoo at the trunk. There were these icky stains from who knows what fluids I had back there at some point and whatever else. Not necessarily interior related, but the sunroof started sticking, and I figured since we're working on the interior today, I'd take the chance to clean out the sunroof tracks and grease them up with some Sil Glide to smoothen the operation again. And for the final touches on the interior and exterior, I put some rubber rejuvenator on the seals. Glass seals, door seals, you name it, that seal got some coating on it. This is one of those things that I think is underrated. Black seals can really contrast the car and make it look nice, but it also has an added UV protection to increase the longevity of the seals. So I totally shot those outro clips and realized it was too noisy and the area for me to actually do the outro, but the clips are too good. I couldn't not use them. I'm really happy that Sparky's now clean and protected for the harsh summer weather, which you can definitely see right now. We didn't get to the engine bay or any of the rust. We're gonna leave that for another part of the series. This has been long enough as is, but man, she looks freaking good. So we're gonna end it today. Make sure to like the video. If you enjoyed it, you wanna see more videos like this. I kinda tried a new style of video. Curious as to what you guys think about it. Make sure to subscribe if you are new. We do lots of videos with this M3. Try to do one a week when I can. And of course, share it with your friends. I know a lot of these products don't cost a lot of money. It doesn't really cost a lot of money to keep a car looking good. But take care, and I will see you in the next one.